This is our redneck instructional video of how to put a windshield wiper onto a side-by-side. First of all, you're going to need a windshield wiper engineer.
Okay, fuck this.
Second, you're going to need some help. You want me to pick up the garbage?
Hey, that's how we all started out.
And lastly, you're going to need somebody who's in charge. Baxter, go help him. He doesn't know what he's doing. Remember, always keep a clean workspace. Are you going to pick that up?
No, you're gonna clean up.
I'm not cleaning up. Take time to de-stress. Stretch. What are you doing? Here, get out of there. Safety first. We're gonna be going to the hospital soon. I can see this. Oh my god. Where's your safety goggles? Well, that's a good place. Why spend money on supplies? Just borrow a few things from around the house. Garrett, where'd you get that handle from?
The bush.
You're such a liar. The bedroom? Living room? Seriously though, where'd you get that handle? That son of a... Don't be afraid to admit your mistakes.
Uh-oh, fucking, I fucked it up now. Fuck!
You might meet a few setbacks. That's okay. No, it's too tight. It's hitting the bolt. Be kind and patient to those willing to help you.
Number 14 or 16.
16. Over here?
In the toolbox.
Oh.
Down, the big long drawer.
Nope, it goes 15. Oh no, that's a 6. Joke around a little. Make it a fun experience. Come on in. Get up here. You're driving. Come on. I'll work the pedals. Yeah, we did it!